Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is Zipperment. Zipperment is on the verge of revolutionizing the way they monetize the games and also the app. The customers, publishers and the developers discover the benefits of the Zipperment platform. It is an ERC20 compatible the Zipperman token to incentivize users and the USDN token to reward for the publishers and also for the developers. So guys, this is the token sales of the Zipperman and this announcement, token sales announcement. So starts from this CET Thursday 14th January 2021 and it's going to end on 19th CET Saturday 14th February 2021. So guys, you can also see the token sales options here. Just click on that and you will find this type of page. So guys, you can also chat with them on the Telegram, chat with the CEO of the Zipperment, and this is the token sales address. And guys, these are the more info about the Zipperman token. So guys, now keep me posted, so you just more read here. And this is the white paper of the Zipperman coin. So guys, total registered developers are almost 37 and the total registered users are almost 81. Use our beta SDK to integrate in adless revenue models in your app. So guys, you can sign up here. And guys, this is the other good reward by playing games, like earn reward by playing games. Imagine you are playing your favorite game or using your favorite running app and want to keep track of your score. Zipperment lets you log in just like any other social media login system. When you zap in app, you log in and connect Zipperment to the app. So guys, these are the more info about this, so you can read also that. And removing ads and play walls with the Zipperment app. So you can more read about the Zipperment, like users that stack a minimum amount of USDN in the Zipperment app can benefit from application without ads, paywalls or subscription. The Zipperment smart contract acts as a bridge contract to reward developers with the generated yield of all users stacking USD. And once a user login in with Zipperment, the developer can remove ads, paywalls or subscriptions because they get rewarded with the generated stacking profit of the USDN pool. So guys, these are the more info about the Zipperment, like rewarding users by minting token, and you can also read more here. So this is the reward developers by generating yields, and you can also read here, like the amount of the USDN from users is located, and from this pool of USDN an annual yield is generated. A small percentage of the profit goes to Zipperment for support, network cost, buffer, royalty and also the providing liquidity. So you can also read more here. So this is the Zipperment ecosystem. So we need apps and users. So these are the social links of the Zipperment coin projects, and you can also chat with them on the Telegram. So guys, if you want to work with them, then just put it to your email here. I'm not a robot, just click on that option and then just click on submit. And this is the summary guys. So what's in it for me? So this is the user, like use app without any ads, paywalls or subscription, and own your data. So more, this is developers monetize without any ads, paywalls or subscription. You can also read more about this here. So if you want to be a part of the community and get monthly updates, for the new updates, just put it your email here and just click on the I'm not a robot section and just click on submit. So when they update any type of news or anything else about the Zipperment project, you will receive an email in your email account. So guys, this is the FAQ option of the Zipperment. So you can see that the Zipperment frequently asked question, and these are the question that you can see the answer of these questions here. And guys, these are the other links like a social link like Discord, GitHub, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and also the Medium. And guys, this is the roadmap of the Zipperment coin. Like on Monday 7 December 2021 CET, pre-announcement, like we are super proud of the network that already has been done to make Zipperment a reality, and want to thank all the people that have helped us. And these are the more details about this, and you can also see the roadmap and read all the info about this project here. So guys, and we have another option like token details. So just click on the token details option, and this is the token detail option. So the symbol is of the token of the Zipperment token is ZAPP, and it's a ERC20 compatible. And total supply of the coin is almost 200 million ZAP coins, and the total sales allocation is almost this. So the references price of one coin is almost 0.05 USD. Soft cap is almost $300,000 USD, and hard cap is almost 66 almost 6 million USD. And the accepted currency is just the ETH ERC20. So unsold token will be burned after that, and is the terms and conditions of privacy policy. So guys, token sales allocation almost 60%, and reserved for token almost 40%. So guys, this is the pre-registration option. Just click on that, and you can see here the pre-registration is currently open. By registering as a developer or publisher, you agree to receive email about the development of the ZAP SDK. We will not contact you for our token sales. So you can also read more here. So guys, this is the team of the Zipperment coin. You can see that, like this is the founder and CEO Mark Van Stradonk, and this is the co-founder and CTO. This is the co-founder and CCO Yasin Abed, and Robert Van, this is the advisor. So guys, and this is the white paper. So just click on that, and you will see the new tab is open. It's almost 39 pages, and it's in PDF. I hope guys you will like my video. If you have any type of question, then you can ask. See you, bye bye.